Now, over the summer, there's a really good chance that my son will ring me and say something like,
"Hey Dad, I'm gonna go on a road trip with some mates."
and then I will say, "Sounds great, mate. What car are you taking?" And then he will say,
"Probably take mine. It's been making a few funny noises, but probably nothing."
"Probably nothing." So I will say, "Mate, bring it home and I'll check it over." And when I say check it over, I mean, got some tyres there, doors working, got a steering wheel, and it's got an engine. Next thing you know, they're off on a road trip. See you, boys! Oh! But as a dad, I'm left here wondering, is that car safe? Are they safe? You see, what I should have said, bring it home, I'll drop it into the AA Auto Centre, they can check it over. You see, for over 120 years, the AA has been looking after us New Zealanders and our motor vehicles. I think it's fair to say they are people we can trust. They're a one-stop shop for everything our cars need. You know, Warriner Fitnesses to repairs. And when I say repairs, I'm talking tyres, brakes, lights, doors, windows, window washers, safety belts, speedometers, steering, suspension, fuel system, exhaust, you know, that sort of stuff. These guys really are the experts. So let's make sure our kids are safe in their cars this summer. Here, mate.
Cheers, Dad.
Cheers, James!
Oh, don't thank me, mate. Thank the wonderful team at the AA Auto Centre. See you later. Safe travels. Don't worry about me, by the way. I can walk home. I need the exercise. For peace of mind, get to your AA Auto Centre. Oh, tell them Jay says hi.